and he will make my life more hell.
But what if he knows that I have come over here?
He is drunk and passed out, and he won't be waking up till morning. I don't know why I started telling you all my sob stories.
Listen, doctor does not only heals the body, but also the soul.
After sharing all my problems with you, I feel so relieved. Thank you, doctor.
Not doctor. Viraj. Only Viraj.
Do you mind if we start meeting like friends?
Why not?
Doctor.
Okay, listen, do one thing. Tell the patients that I will look them tomorrow. Okay?
But doctor,
Hmm.
see the clock, it's 9:30. Don't you have to go home today?
No, I have to go to see a patient. You go back home.
But doctor, should I say something? Having an affair with a married woman is not a right thing. This village is very small. If the people of this village get to know about this, then that would be a big trouble for that girl, doctor. Do you understand?
What do you think I'm doing it forcefully? She calls me, that's why I go. She lets me do it, that's why I do it. And tell me, when both of us are happy, why is the village getting troubled?
Okay, as you say, doctor.
Now see, I just said her name and she called me. Now if she's calling me, I'll have to go. Try to understand. Yes, Anjali. No, I'm just about to leave. I'll reach there in 10 minutes. Yes. Anjali. What happened? Why are you crying? And what happened to Mohan? What happened?
I killed him.
Killed him? He's dead.
He just came to know about our extramarital affair. He got to know about us, Viraj. As soon as he got back, he started hitting me, just like before.
Yes, but how did he die? Attack.
While he was hitting me, he got a asthma attack and he took the inhaler and
Spray?
he passed away.
Anjali, what is mixed inside this?
It's a rat poison.
What? Come on. You.
I was fed up of all this everyday drama.
Oh,
That's why. And that's why I added the rat poison in his inhaler. And then he got an attack. And then he died in extreme pain.
Anjali, this is a murder. And now I'll have to call the police.
Cops will come and they will arrest me. And maybe I'll be hanged to death.
What? What is this nonsense?
The cops will investigate about us. And they will come to know about our extramarital affair. Got that? It will be all over in the media about our affair. We will become popular, Viraj.
What? What nonsense is this?
I'm telling you the truth.
But what else can we do? This is a murder.
I am not worried about myself, Viraj. But my sister? Who's going to marry her? And people will point fingers on my mom. They will say, look, the mother of murderer is going.
Anjali? But this is a murder.
There's a way out.
What?
Listen, Viraj, you're a doctor. You can declare that he got an asthma attack and he died because of that. And the moment his last rites are done, all the evidence will be vanished.
What do you want and what do you want me to do?
Anyways, everyone knows that he has been diagnosed with asthma. This is the only way out, Viraj. Now it's up to you. What has to be done?
Hello? Yes, Anjali. Death certificate is ready. Hello, Anjali.
Viraj,
Yes, it's me.
Viraj, I can't talk right now. Please don't call me for few days because people will doubt on us. Okay, I'll call you later.
Excuse me, is Anjali inside?
Anjali Gupta.
Sir, but she went. She went? But where?
Sir, she actually sold this house. I'm an estate agent. She has sold this house to my client.
And what about her other property?
Sir, she sold that one also.
Hey, but do you know where to find her?
I don't know. She didn't tell me anything.
How did this happen so suddenly?
This is not sudden. Actually, they were supposed to sell this bungalow 1 year back.
Oh.
She told me that her husband had some kind of sickness and he was about to die. And look how lucky she got. She got a very good client at the same time her husband died. And all the money went to her.
I might have degrees and I'm well educated, but she really made a fool out of me.
इस दुनिया में चूतियों की कमी नहीं है।
You go
एक
to find
ढूंढो
one,
तो
you'll get
हजारों मिल
thousands.
जाते हैं।